Hey guys, welcome back to the third part of the How to Submit an App to the App Store series. And in this part I'll show you guys what all this app information is and what each of these things actually mean. So I have the App Store over here, and this will help us explain what each of these app information sort of columns will do. So the first thing we have is a name, and that's what appears up here. And the App Store just helps us visualize it. So this subtitle, well, that's this thing here. So great writing simplified, that's the subtitle. And bundle ID, these sort of things don't really matter. The category, that's just useful for when the App Store wants to categorize it, like those categories at the front page of the App Store. It puts it inside of these, and then you can have another one in case your app is like two different categories. The license agreement, here what you have to do is you actually have to apply a custom EULA, and I'll show you guys. Actually, I guess I can show you now. So EULA generator, and it's actually really simple. I've clicked on a few of these, but most of these aren't good. Okay, wait, let me try and find the good one. Is it this one? Nope, of course not. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, so you want to go to this website here. This is a good one, and it doesn't actually cost anything. So I usually use this one, and what it is it's an EULA generator. So you can enter your app name. I'll just call it App Store Demo App. And I'm not actually going to upload this app, I'm just showing you guys how to do it. Your company name, this can just be your name, so for me it will be RSK. Country, I'll just put this as the UK. Email address, and I'm not going to do this, but yeah, I'll just call it email address. Now I can generate EULA. Invalid customer. Oh, we're gonna have to do a real email address. Okay, let's just do I don't know, John at outlook.com. Does that work? Okay, there we go. So now this is our EULA. We can just copy this, and you can just paste that in there. And if you want, you can read it over, but it's just shown. Basically, what this means is it just doesn't let the people using your app to just copy it and just create a copy of it. So yeah, then you can just go in, select all of these countries. I usually select everything because why not? Unless your app doesn't work in certain countries, or you're not allowed in certain countries for like law and things. But yeah, if you click done here, now the license agreement works. And the license agreement, I think it's somewhere here, might be here, or I think it's only for Apple actually, but yeah, you'll be able to see it somewhere. So yeah, if we go to here, we should probably save. So if we go back here, and support URL, marketing URL, and there's also okay, no. So support URL, well, that's just this one. So I think if we go down here, it tells us the support URL. Let me just see all. Where is it? I don't think I remember seeing it somewhere. I think I saw it on the iOS version. The Mac version's a bit different, but we have a privacy policy there, and like, where is all of this stuff? It's all just oh yeah, that was a privacy policy URL. I don't know, is that in here? No, that privacy policy URL, I think this is where it is. So yeah, this is where it is, privacy policy URL, and the support URL should be somewhere in here. I think this is just on their website. That's what they're saying. So yeah, that's what support URL is for, and it's just to get in contact with your customers. And marketing URL, that's just, I think it's just your website for the app, so it's not actually like a specific URL. It's just if you have a website, but you do need it. Actually, it's optional, but most apps have one. And then the build. So I think in the next part of the series, I'll show you guys how you can upload your app from Xcode to this, and you can also change the app version. And if your app needs to sign in, then you have to provide a sign-in. So you can do that. You can create a username and password for them, then just tell them how your app works and things. And then version release. So if you want to manually release the version, so like you'll submit it for review, they'll tell you if it's okay or not, and then if it's okay, they'll give it to you, and then you can click a button to release it. So yeah, this is where you see all your ratings and reviews. I don't have any because the app isn't even launched yet. In-app purchases, I'll probably make a separate series on that because it's a little confusing. Actually, that's my email. This is not too bad because but yeah, I'll probably make a separate series on in-app purchases since they're quite complicated, especially if you want to have also renewing subscriptions. So yeah, that was about it for all of these fields. In the next part of this series, I'll show you guys how you can upload your app from Xcode here. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.